Marius, great seeing you again here at Baltic Fintech Days. It's finally happening.
Likewise, thank you for having me.
It's great having you. For those who have not met you yet, tell us briefly who you are and what you do.
Hi, Marius. I'm the CEO of ConnectPay and a board member of the Fintech Hub Association. At ConnectPay, we do embedded accounts, payments, and cards for online businesses.
Okay. Now, tell us a little bit more about embedded finance, because we hearing that word here and there. What's the practical value of embedded finance, and why is it picking up so much momentum in the industry?
Yeah, I think I think the internet business is booming, and as I'm saying, Web 2.0 internet, which is where people collaborate and exchange content with each other. The Web 2.0 is happening in online businesses right now. So majority of the biggest businesses online are some type of platforms, intermediaries that connect buyers, sellers, investors, borrowers, and whatnot. And embedded finance is a fundamental requirement to monetize those platforms. And it all stems from a very simple regulation, right? You cannot handle funds of somebody else if you don't have a financial institution license. And these businesses, these big platforms, they obviously focus on their customer experience, but they don't hold a license. So we come in, and embedded finance comes in and solves that fundamental problem for them.
Right. Okay. And why should companies choose to work with ConnectPay? What's the biggest benefit for them?
Okay. So I think the way we went about it was we were very carefully developing our solution. We spent a lot of time and effort to understand the intricacies of compliance and all of the workload that comes with moving money online. And we constructed our solution in such a way so that our customers can simply plug in our APIs and just like a simple payment, and we handle everything else. So when we talk to our customers, we don't even need to talk about anything compliance related, monitoring related, and whatnot. So we take on all the burden, and we try to make it as simple as possible. Just a couple of APIs, and you can have your business rolling, or you can have your business enriched with accounts or payments functionality.
Wow, that's really quite amazing. Now, we're here on Baltic Fintech Days. We can see that the place is booming, is buzzing with people having conversation, establishing partnerships, collaborations. To what would you put this Baltic Fintech moment or Baltic Fintech movement that we're experiencing?
Look, I think it's a natural evolution, and I think it's also sort of a bit of a leap, a vault, and a gamble for us right now. Because before this event was a lot more local, right? And this was the first time we said, okay, this is a pan-Baltics event right now. Vilnius in Lithuania is a fintech hub of Europe, a really big one, an important one. So let's get together here and just talk it out. So I think it's finally that coming out of the closet when you're building, your community and your businesses, and coming out and saying, you know what, we're here, we're big, we're important, we want to be heard loudly.
And what a way to make yourselves known.
Yeah, I can barely hear you from here.
Yeah. All right, and then we're early afternoon on the Baltic Fintech Days main conference. What's been your key takeaway so far?
Actually, my day was just kidnapped by all the meetings. What I love here today about this event is that all the networking. So you see a lot of people in here, in the corridors, even outside in the sun, just people talking together in the city. So I think the key takeaway is that people come together as a single community, share experiences, share their problems and whatnot, and then come to solutions. So my key takeaway is that this is the best place to network.
Absolutely. Well, Marius, thank you so much for being part of this and for joining us here in our pop-up studio.
Thank you, pleasure.